Okay, so I got this fancy sink, and it's my sister's. They don't have the manual, so I have no idea what the name of it is. There's no markings on it. So I glanced through Lowe's, Home Depot, and couldn't find something similar. A couple were close. So I went to YouTube and did a search for bathroom sink faucets. And the fella had a fancy sink, and he took his apart, and it got me started on this one. So I knew this just pops up. Take the screw out here, and this thing just pops up. Okay, so that's easy. And these usually just slide out. But I couldn't figure out how to get this out. And so after watching his video, I saw him screw this whole part out. So I come up here and I looked, and I noticed right here at the top, there's a little ledge that you can grab with a pair of pliers. So I tried multiple wrenches and it wouldn't fit. So I just used this guy. And I just grabbed that top edge, turned it like that, and that came out. And then I got this out. Piece of cake once I watched that video. Okay, so it's only got a real slight leak. It's barely dripping hot water. So on one of my videos a few years ago, a fella commented, you didn't need to replace this. You only need to replace the washer down inside. So that's these little things. The spring and that little black washer. So let me see if I can get that. I should have brought a flashlight. I need something with a hook. Okay, so I went and got a flashlight. There's that little washer. And just got a little piece of coat hanger. See if I can fish that out of there. I'm not a plumber. I'm a guitar player. This is where a baster comes in handy. Mine's 2 floors down in the basement. I don't feel like walking down there. That washer is definitely mangled. Okay, we got it. Probably a standard size. So in case you've never seen it, it's just a spring. Spring is kind of like a pyramid shape. And a little black washer sits on top. They're cheap. You can buy a pack of them for like $5. At the store, you get all kind of washers and stuff. Okay, so here's the new one. springs smaller up on top. See, one side is bigger than the other. And then this washer, it's open on the bottom. Just sits on top like this. And then the tricky part, getting it in the hole. Okay. Usually I use a pair of tweezers here. They're downstairs too. See if I can do it like this. See if I get lucky. It's in there. It's a little crooked. Flatten it down like this. That washer almost seems too big. Or, oh, no, I got it in there. It's just a tight fit. Okay. We got it. Now, see, there's an O-ring on here. Now, there's an O-ring on here. Some of those come in this kit too. See those little brown, those. Some of those come in here. It's these round washers. So since we're here, let's go ahead and replace this too. Seems to be the right size. A little tricky to get started. I'm not a plumber. Okay. And there's only one little catch here. Oh no, there's one on each side. So I'm pretty sure the flap part on here, see how there's a flap part, went that way. So I'll put this in here like this. Tighten this back up. And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of a turn here. turn on the water down below, see if it leaks.